Hello, my rainbow readers. Today we're going to read a story written by Dylan Glynn. He has titled this story, Rain Boy, The Brightest Colors Shine from Within. Let's get started. Once there was a rain boy. Rain Boy was not popular around the sandbox, or the monkey bars, or the soccer field. Because, of course, when Rain Boy was around, it rained. Sun Kid was another story. Sun Kid was new. She was from somewhere on the other side of the planet. Sun Kid was the talk of the playground. She was popular at barbecues, at tea parties, and at the beach. Because when Sun was around, it was sunny. Her birthday was smack dab in the middle of summer, and her parents decided to throw her a big sleepover surprise party. The whole class was coming. Rain Boy had never been to a birthday party before. The card says, "You are invited." And he might never go to one again. This wasn't the surprise anybody had planned. "Oh no, he's getting everything wet!" cried Oliver. "The cake is melting!" shouted Star. "The presents are ruined!" Soon, everyone was yelling, "Rain, rain, go away." Just then, Sun came down the stairs. "Cut it out! Stop yelling at him!" Sun was ashamed of her friends. She ran back up to her room and slammed the door. The room was silent, but Rain Boy still heard the words. They looped over and over in his head. "Rain, rain, go away." And so he did. A storm began to brew. Rain Boy didn't come back to school. Neither did Sun Kid. The kids said he must have kidnapped her. It didn't matter what Miss Parks told them. A day turned into weeks, into months of rain. People learned to live with wetness. They stayed inside and drank hot cocoa. Their flowers bloomed and their grass turned greener. They noticed they were talking to each other a lot more. One by one, the neighborhood kids stepped out of their houses and into the streets. They came out to play in the rain. In this wet, wonderful, flowers and trees were more vibrant. Beautiful reflections shimmered, stretched across the sky, and kids skipped and stomped through puddles. One morning, Rain Boy took a deep breath and peeked outside. With a big sigh, he stormed a little less hard. The thunder and lightning stopped. Only rain now. Looking at the disheveled town, Rain Boy felt really tired. Sun Kid heard the rain get softer on her roof. She peeked out over her covers and through the clouds. "Rain Boy! Look!" It was the first time Rain Boy felt that people actually liked having him around. Rain Boy puffed up with pride. He decided it was time to be brave. Play was better together. So the next time you're feeling down and your world is dark and gray, just look up.